Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Melrose Hill bypass, and that this road will take us from Poros to Williamsfield, or take us from Poros to the Winston Jones Highway. Alright, so now this road was recently in the news because it's a very important bypass. If you don't drive on the bypass, you're going to have to go through Melrose Hill or go over Melrose Hill, and it's a very narrow road. So that's why this bypass was built. But the reason why this bypass was recently in the news is because if you look to the right now, you'll see construction going on. Highway 2000 is now running all the way to Williamsfield, and it's going to incorporate the alignment of the Melrose Hill bypass. So right here on the left is the highway, and it's going to come and merge with the Melrose Hill bypass. So it's going to be 4 lanes, 2 on each side, a dual carriageway. And the reason why it was in the news is because persons were, based on the original wording, people got the impression that this Melrose Hill bypass was going to be a part of Highway 2000 and you'd have to pay toll to use it. But the government recently came out and put out stuff in the newspaper saying, no, the Melrose Hill bypass is not going to be a toll road. Persons can still use it for free. However, parts of it will be incorporated into Highway 2000, because the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 starts at the Maypen roundabout, travels south or like places like Tollgate, Clarendon Park, and it cuts over the hill and comes out to the Melrose Hill bypass, and then continues along the Melrose Hill bypass. You can see the construction going on the right, all the way up to the Williamsfield roundabout where it will end. However, there will be no toll plaza, or you don't have to pay when you reach this on this stretch of road. So there will be no toll to pay. So persons coming from Poros can still use the Melrose Hill bypass, and it will be free. There won't be any toll to pay to use it. So there you can see the construction going on. The highway is 90% complete, and it's scheduled to open in March 2023. So now this road will go all the way up to the Williamsfield roundabout. Now this highway is eventually going to run all the way to Montego Bay, but they're building it in phases, and so this phase will end at the Williamsfield roundabout. You can see a fender bender. On the left you can see the construction going on. Remember, it's going to be 4 lanes now, 2 on each side, or 2 in each direction. So this will give you a good idea what the road is going to look like. Alright, so this is now the Williamsfield roundabout. Now you can see that the bypass is closed to traffic coming down this way, so that car just broke the road code, but it happens every day. Alright, so we're now on the Winston Jones Highway, or also known as the Mandeville Bypass. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.